Hello, and this is Builder Shed here, and today you might be wondering, why are we back with Nitrux? And the reason is actually simpler than you think, and the reason why is I'm choosing to do a re-review of Nitrux. The reason why I'm wanting to do a re-review is because I think I may have not gotten the point of Nitrux back in when I did the original review, and yeah. The and I may have. I think the main mistake of the original Nitrux review was that I was digging in the terminal way too much, which was I think, which now looking back may not have been the original way to use Nitrux. It's especially updating via the terminal was probably not the best way to use Nitrux. And using apt was probably the worst thing I could have done. So yeah. So that's. So I think it's pretty much a good idea. So I thought now. I think I should probably do a re-review, especially with how I expressed as my thoughts on if we should be focusing on like the terminal and stuff as much these days when it comes to Linux. Should we try showing new users the terminal first or whatever, etc., etc.? So, yep. So now, start the program. Install Nitrux. Let's click Continue. Welcome to Nitrux OS 2.4.0. Blah blah blah. So already this looks like a very good installer. About support. So already it'll pull up an About page and it'll launch Firefox. And to be honest, it could have. I said they could have made something like this. I don't know. They could have made some. I could have like moved out of here, but I'm not gonna crap on them for that. It's got known issues. Okay, I think there may be a little bit of a problem here. Latte. Let me restart Latte. It could be the problem. Already we have Latte not working correctly, so I do not know what's going on here. Oh yes, I'm whipping out a term. Never mind. Execute that. Is it going to get off your bug? I don't want you on my monitor. Yep. I'm going to launch. I think you know what's causing any issues. Oh, I see. Yeah, it's not supposed to be like that. So let's select language. We're on American English. You could select your other languages, though it. So if you want to select like Spanish from Spain, it gives you two options. In fact, Español de España or Español de Mexico. Or you can select Basque if you want. Persian, Farsi, and some other stuff. So, yep. Oh, Francais. So, even though Spanish and English are a lot of complex vocabulary because of, well, some history with the Normans and stuff, 1066. I'm not a history channel. This is not a linguistics channel, even though I love linguistics. We're going to go with English. And not everyone's a linguistics master, so, yeah. Or an amateur linguist. So, region, America. Land of the free. as we think. But yeah, Chicago, because it's the same area as me. Well, I don't live in Chicago. Of course I don't. I'm not getting shut up by people every day. Jeez. Happy hacking for Mac. No, English. No. Oh, you can't be serious. Hold on. You can't be serious. Hold on. Let me count the number of keys on my keyboard. Yeah, I'm just going with standard 104 key. See, I'm gonna go with English because that's the language I speak. Obviously, I'm gonna go with the variant obviously because I like my US International with alt-graphic dead keys because I like my additional letters, to be honest. As well as, I think it's here. I think it's here. I don't know. Moving on. Next. Now wants a name. Buller Shed. Let's name this the Nitrux VM. Well, Nitrux Review 2. Password. Let's choose Builder Shed for the password. Head. Actually, hold on. Password stuff already all typed in now, and I'm not going to log in automatically without asking for a password. I'm going to log in with my password, so yep. I'll click next, erase disk, swap the file. So it wants XFS by default. Yeah, I'm just going to go with that. Install and summary, blah blah blah. So yeah, this seems to be a nice installer, and I'll give it that. So I'll be right back once this installer is done doing its little dingle. So it has got done installing, and it's rebooted. So it's time to get this sucker started. Get the So I think for one we already got ourselves a little negative here. It wants us to put in our actual username, so if this wants to focus on being user friendly, unless you're going to use this in a workplace environment or whatever, it's going to have to list list actual users. So let's click login. And this is actually a pretty nice login, so I'll have to give it that. And already we got quite a nice looking desktop. Let's hurry up and fix this display, as already it looks like rear. Bigger than normal. We can go 4K. Nah. Let's go 1080. Now we're on our happy spot, so yeah, let's close it. So here we have our stuff. So okay, we're gonna get into you later, but stuff, we got our little menus up here and such, which has a Mac-like layout. Our time, a menu and such. We can figure out location, obviously, but we got a little bit of a menu right here. Some apps, including Kcalc and Station, if you want to really use a terminal right now, but nah. Spectacle, Pix. I do not know what that cat wants. You got some apps. As you click on, you can install an app. So yeah. So now it's installing models. So I think that's quite a cool thing. It's got a software center where you can get some apps. Clip. So these are the Maui applications, and they actually look pretty good. You got Agenda, Bonsai, and you got Index, which okay, hold on. Is there supposed to be some transparency in this? I thought there was supposed to be a blur. Hold on. I don't know what's going on here, but this looks like an okay file manager. Oh, it's set to list. This actually seems. It's actually a very good looking file manager, to be honest. I dig the look, man. I dig the look. I dig it. Yeah, you also got System Monitor. I'm guessing this is the KDE app. Yeah. System Monitor. I like System Monitor. It's pretty dang good. And I'd say it's better than GNOME's. Got Shelf, some others. Nota. It's a text editor. The Maui applications, though, I'd say they're very modern, and that's one of the things I like about them. Now you probably look at those. Firefox is on here by default, and I like Firefox. Thanks for anyone wondering, I used Firefox for a while. It's just that Firefox does have some problems time to time. I'm just going to mention that. So, also got the software center, which is looking quite nice. There goes the phone. Already, this is one of the best looking software managers I've seen for Linux. And thing is, first thing out of the way, this Nitrux is built upon app images. Of course, you can install a deb, but it's not recommended to use the base Debian package manager or whatever. You're recommended to use app images, and I'm recommending that too, from prior experience. And it's because this thing can break if you use apt. Literally, the devs are right. So you got cover scene graphic apps. What's this? Cover scene. Got some other stuff. Krita. Okay. Yeah. Ooh. Our stuff. So, App Image Hub. I just get it. There are no available packages download. We already looks like we have a bit of a problem here. Got some Maui apps. Oh, and I forgot to take a look at V-Wave. Booho Nota. Maui Pigs. Got some other stuff. Ocula. Tweet app. You got basically Twitter. So yeah, it looks okay. It looks really good. App outlet. Okay. That's downloading app outlet. It's just going to download like that? Nice. Brave browser. You can get Brave on here. Oh, get this? Heck yeah. So yeah, it's already looking nice. Now it's getting this on here. Free download manager. Okay. So. Space Cadet Pinball. You want to play some pinball? So system and tools. Let's see what's on here. Cool retro terms. You want a really old school looking term. You got file managers, but actually interested what Dolphin looks like. Which does not appear to be very available, which is stupid. Looks like you got a Google Drive application. Okay. And some other stuff. So, there are some stuff already on here. I mean, something you can already get. System monitoring. You got bow. System tools. Oh, so bow was never just for arch. I may want to try that out on something else sometime. Yeah. So I can get that in another distro too. Dang. So yeah. Terminal apps, nah. We're not focusing on that crap here. Popsicle. Installation complete. Bottles is now done. Cool. Boolean Etcher, get that on here. Easiest way to install Boolean Etcher I've ever seen in my life, other than AUR. Yeah, okay, what else? So this looks like a pretty dang good library of software, to be honest. Thing is, app images are pretty universal. Why would I want GIMP? Can I get GIMP on here? I get photo GIMP? Or I can get GIMP. Why is this a byte? This is sus. We gotta try it though. Yeah. I said those trains get loud, man. And what else is there? I don't know. Maybe Blender has to exist. Hey yo, train, can you stop honking your horn? I just got the Blender app image. Got app repos, but Blender app image. So already app it. It's making things look pretty easy. Pretty good. That's something I'm loving. What if I want? I don't know. Wait a minute. Is there a Steam app image? We need to figure this out. Is there a Steam app image? No. No. Okay. Dolphin. So from this, it looks like you find a lot of things as an app image. Can't find Dolphin as an app image, though. Libid White theme looks to be doing really good in KDE, though. Oh, holy. Gotta love that. Here's what's on here. App outlet. I just gotta make sure these work. Take me to the app. So it looks like and I'm just gonna minimize you. So we'll also let that other app do its thing. Bulls. You got some other apps that need to finish. Also doing some things, and you don't seem to be fully into getting an icon. Let's be honest here. This is OBS, and it seems to have a little bit of a problem. Can I get screen capture? Yes. Can I get a window capture? Yes, I can get a window capture. Using bottles, so yep, Libid Vita apps work perfectly. So you got Strike, all this crap, and Photo GIMP. Nope. Yeah, I was just shammed out on that one, so I'm gonna get that one confused. I'm gonna close you. Actually, nah. GIMP. And I can easily remove from here, so that looks like to be a nice feature. So it'll be a Studio Plus. Yeah. I don't know, man. Some of these looking a little sus. You don't show the Windows one. Packages, download. It's the repository. You idiot. Yeah. So now what can we configure on here? There's nowhere for an update though, and that's stupid. Cause I think there should be a spot for like a better update system. Yep. So there's there. KE stuff, Nitrux Mix, blah blah blah, all your other stuff. So, yep. All your colors, window decorations. There are none. And yeah, my stupid self was looking in the wrong spot, so go change the rules. See what this is like. That's cool looking wallpaper. Articles. What's articles like? Another cool one. Basic bench. Birds of blue hour, blue sky, bokeh, cadmium, average, cask, chilies, chrysanthemum. I'm just gonna go with this one. Cause this one honestly looks cool to me. So, yeah. Honestly, I wish there was more to Nitrux as a whole. Well, to be honest, I wish there were more utilities to use for Nitrux. I think they went down the app image route way too much because I think using this a little bit, I think as a whole, app images, they are, as well as from my personal experience too, from app images have potential, but they're all they are a very great concept in my eyes, and they also have a lot of potential. But at the same time, app images, they also need a lot of work still in my eyes, and also I think places like App Image Hub and stuff need a bit more stuff security wise. I think app images are also going to be a way security on Linux is going to get screwed a bit. I think app images are going to be a way people are going to end up getting viruses and crap at some point, maybe. I don't know. It's just going to be one of the ways we're just going to get screwed over. Think about it. How did people end up getting viruses on Windows and malware? They installed software from random sources. Or this is an untrusted source, trustworthy sources. And you got stuff like random stuff, like just half and half broken stuff, some stuff that's broken or whatever, yeah, but a lot of this is still work good. The amount of apps I'd say is pretty large, and I like that as a whole. I like we got a lot of stuff though. I'll say that. So I'm gonna shut this sucker down. And if I can find a way to log out, which does not seem to be possible. What's going on? Why can't I log out? Okay, now this is a user usability problem. There ain't no way, man. This is a user usability problem. Just don't sing her. I think her database. Dang. Oh, so that's where you go down there. That's actually pretty innovative. So I'm gonna shut down the VM, and we're gonna be back on the desktop in a second. And ignore the aneurysm maker, and yeah. So, let's get to rating. Re-rating this distribution. So, overall stability. If you don't do a sudo apt update, and upgrade it and nuke your entire system because you saw the fact that this is a Debian based system. I was like, I'm going to use this like it's Ubuntu. And use this like how the actual developers of Nitrux intended you to use. This seems to actually be pretty dang okay, stability wise, but I'm not sure how you're supposed to manage to update it, so I'm just going to give it a 4. Repository size, you got the repos of app images. Like, you're missing some crucial ones that someone may want. But at the same time, not sure if they have Flatpak or not. I think they may have Flatpak, but I'm not sure. I'm dropping the repository size down to 4 for the rating. Ease of installation, 5 out of 5. There is nothing in the way of that. That speed, it's a 5. Ease of use, yes. There are quite a bit of things that were behind a term. Okay. Let's put it this way. It was not straightforward on how to update things. Some things just didn't seem straightforward out of the box. Other things, again, suffered the usual desktop environment problems, like where do I go to add my user to groups and stuff, like from a desktop environment, where's like the average stuff, etc., etc. Yeah, I'd say ease of use goes into a 4 because actually it comes with a really good one. And extra, I wouldn't say I wouldn't say I'm not sure really. If we're going for extra, then you need the app images, but I'm more on a neutral stance for app images as a whole. If it'd be extra, it'd just be for overall uniqueness, and images overall give it that. But okay for daily use, I'm still putting a -1. A normal power user is going to screw his system up. Ironically. A normal, and some things more advanced and trying to set up are probably going to be a bit more, probably more difficult to set up, as well as other things such as other applications. You want to set up some alternatives, it's going to be more difficult. And just other things. It's easy to break if you do something stupid, like pop open a terminal and start using app for everything, like I did prior. But if you use it like a developer's intended, it's gonna go a lot smoother. So I think if we whip out the calculate, without calculate now. 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 4. Get 22. 22 divided by 5. No. 22 divided by 2.5. 8.8. Do 8.8 plus 1. Oh, wait. And then we just do -1. It's an 8.8. Yeah, it's stuck at an 8.8, so 8.8 for Nitrux. I'm going to save this as Nitrux rating.txt, and yeah, save it under this. That's how it is. Rather if I'd use Nitrux as my daily driver, no. Do I have hope in Nitrux? I see hope. I really hope for Nitrux to improve because I like Nitrux as a concept a lot. Though, am I going to be the one to recommend it to a sysadmin or on, like a university campus outside the house? No. like I said, app images, if they're not handled properly, I think from out of concept and in theory they can be a security hazard potentially. Just like how EXEs on Windows have become a security hazard with viruses being snuck in with them and stuff. And you can say, oh, it's Linux. People don't target Linux often. Look at it now. People are now starting to target Linux more and more. Because the server space and the desktop space is growing as well. We're still like 2%. But I say give it like 2 more years. We're going to be at 3%. Steam Deck's rolling out. You include that in, we're probably going to be at like 6% in like 5 years maybe. Because of the dang Steam Deck. Heck, and Steam Deck's causing the amount of Linux users running Steam to rise up quite a bit. Starting to cause it to rise up more and more. So, and virus manufacturers are looking towards Linux is starting to look like a bit of an eye raiser. Mac OS, it's been an eye raiser to them for a while. Mac viruses have been around for like the last 5 years, I'd say, and they're starting to get more popular too. So Macs have never been invincible. But enough of the security talk. I think Nitrux has a lot of potential. And I'd like to see Nitrux actually use their potential and actually expand as a distribution. I just think that right now there are some setbacks that just need to be addressed and stuff. So, yeah. Overall, a distro with a lot of hope. And this has been Builder Shed. Hope to see y'all next time. See ya.